and welcome to S.T.E.A.M Challenge Accepted. Today we're going to make our own ice cream. So I've got all the ingredients laid out here. I've got a big Ziploc bag, a smaller Ziploc bag, half a cup of salt. You can use any kind of salt you want. I'm just using regular table salt, but it is better if you use something that's a little bit bigger like sea salt or rock salt, because you're not eating it. A cup of milk. I've done a cup of milk mixed with cream. You can also do it with whole milk as well. But it doesn't freeze as nicely if you just do whole milk, so you might want to mix it with some milk. And I've got a teaspoon and a half of vanilla and a tablespoon of sugar. And once you try this the first time, then you might play around with some of the ingredients to see if maybe you want more or less sugar, different types of milk, things like that. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to pour all of my ingredients into the smaller bag. So I'll start off with the sugar. Vanilla, and then the milk. So you're going to want to make sure you seal this up really well so you don't get anything out. You want to make sure there's no air left in there. Nice and tight, get all that air out that you can. Perfect. So now in the big bag, we're gonna wanna put our ice. Pour your ice in here. And then you're gonna pour your salt on top. This is gonna help keep the ice nice and cold so your ice cream freezes. You put your ice cream ingredients inside and seal this one up. And then you just gotta shake it for 5 to 10 minutes. And I would suggest that you use maybe oven mitts or maybe a towel or something because it's gonna get very cold. All right, so I've shaken my ice cream. I had to actually double bag mine with another larger bag because it was leaking. So make sure you have good quality bags. But I'm going ahead and going to grab it out here now. I would recommend rinsing the smaller bag so you don't get any salt. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Perfect. So go ahead and try that for yourself.